Today we are monitoring the price dynamics, anticipating where Bitcoin will go next, as well as looking at other coins to understand potential profitable opportunities. We'll share our opinions and highlight where it's best not to take risks. Let's start with a global perspective. I still expect Bitcoin to fall, as usual in cryptocurrencies and particularly in Bitcoin. There is typically a surge before a drop. This was another such surge. Yes, there was quite a considerable volume here, but it wasn't sustained and everything gradually went down to the same level as before. The next surge was smaller, with an even lesser volume. It seemed expected, and overall I agree with all the tools that I usually use to determine the best Bitcoin price. Gold also surged, as did S&P 500 stocks. They too are slightly retracting. Looking at the gold and the S&P 500, my prediction is that prices will go down. I also anticipate a drop in Bitcoin. The depth of correction where I expect Bitcoin isn't very significant before it starts rising again. I believe it will reach the boundary, depending on where it turns out to be, which will be plus minus 25 or 25,200. After this point, there is a chance of upward trend. The market has tested growth possibility here and here. There is potentially a demand and desire to rise, but we need to weed out those who are, so to speak, excess passengers before the market goes up. Accordingly, there will be some correction, and possibly the price may even dip lower, around 25,000 for instance. There might be breakthroughs like those observed here. This often happens in the market. Only then will the market rise. What should you do now? You could try playing a downturn, which is risky, short, if you are not a pro. But I would be more cautious. I'd wait for confirmation of this lower level before going long. As usual, on my Telegram channel I will provide real-time information about my entry levels. The target for Ethereum is 100-600, after which a reversal and growth are expected. For those willing to work on a short-term basis, you could try opening a mini-long position from this boundary and work with a minimum stop loss. However, I must say that this is quite risky. You need to carefully watch the entry point and market reaction at this level. If the reaction is positive, it makes sense to enter. If not, it's not worth the risk. Waves looks even more interesting in terms of risk-profit ratio. Waves appears to be more interesting from a potential profit perspective. For now, we're observing the reaction at this level. If this price drops lower, I plan to open a small long position bouncing off this level. The plan is to quickly move the trade into break-even and then take as much profit as possible. Dogecoin looks more pessimistic than other coins. I don't want to enter here. I understand that one can expect a rapid rise, quick and sharp, similar to what happened here before, but for now, finding an entry point seems challenging. I will monitor Bitcoin and look for entry points, and after that I'll only enter if I see them. I will share details of my trading in a private Telegram chat, link to which is in the description. Just a reminder, I trade on the Margex exchange. For those who have registered there, using my referral link, I'm ready to offer bonuses. Message me privately to discuss this further. Thanks everyone, see you soon.